Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today we're going to make the Greek Easter cookies koulourakia. Let's start. I will do today koulourakia with orange flavor, and then I will cut the dough into two halves, and I will add cocoa powder to the second half to make chocolate flavor. So we will have orange flavor and chocolate flavor koulourakia today. My ingredients are 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and I added a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I have 3 eggs. I have 8 ounces of softened butter. I have 2 tablespoons of orange peel. I have 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of sugar, and here I put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with 3 tablespoons of milk to add on the second half of the dough. I'm going to use the mixer today. I'm going to start with the butter. So this is room temperature softened butter and the sugar. We'll add the paddle attachment. Mix them on medium speed until fluffy. Make sure you scrape the sides in between. It looks like almost done. It took 8 minutes. I'll give it another 2 minutes and then I will add the egg. Now I'm going to add the eggs. Then I will add vanilla, milk, and the orange peel. And mix on low speed first and then medium. I will start adding the flour slowly. I'll add 1 cup at a time. And on low speed, start with low speed. Keep adding flour. Also scrape the sides. Make sure that everything is well incorporated. Here is the consistency that I want. I transferred the whole batter on the cutting board. So you see how soft it is. You can press your finger and it goes down like that. This is perfect. I'm going to cut it into 2 halves. I will put 1 half here again. And I will add the cocoa powder with water. Not all at once, just half of it. And turn it on low. Add the second half. I have here the 2 batches, the chocolate and the vanilla. I'm going to make small balls and then I will leave it to rest for 10 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I will cover most of it so that it doesn't dry or get a crust on top. And try to make them the same size. You don't have to. You can just eyeball it. You don't have to use a scale or anything. I'm working fast because I don't want them to be dry. Finish the chocolate and then I'll move to the vanilla. We have here 24 chocolate and 29 vanilla cookies. The total is 29. I made them into balls as you see. I will cover them lightly with a stretch and leave them to rest for 10 minutes. Hi, I'm back. The cookies already rested for 10 minutes. I prepared the trays, the egg wash. My egg wash is 2 egg yolk with 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to put them on the top of the cookies. And now I put them in a plate and it's still covered with a transparent wrap. This is an example of how I will do it. It's 1 vanilla, 1 chocolate, and then I wrap them together as a braid, like a hair braid. I'm going to call my son Nicholas to help me and we will show you how we will do it. All right. So we will do 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla and connect them together, and we will also do vanilla. So we'll take the first one, chocolate, spread it like this to be thin. Then the same with the vanilla. Thin and long like this. Then we'll connect them together here from the top. Then put them together like this. Okay, so Nicholas will do some vanilla and chocolate together. I will do some vanilla. And then I will transfer whatever is done to the tray. Good job, Nicholas. It's amazing when the family get together for Easter or Christmas or for special occasions and do the cookies together. That's the fun, the most fun of it. This is amazing with coffee or tea. And it's a tradition in the Easter to eat koulourakia. I'm adding the egg wash now on the cookies. And my oven is preheated on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is going to give it a shiny look. So my cookies are now in the oven baking, and they will take from 30 to 35 minutes. My koulourakia is now ready. It looks amazing and smells amazing. And it's very crispy from the outside. And I will show you how it looks from the inside. Very soft and nice from inside and crispy from the outside. It goes very well when you dip it in coffee or you dip it in milk. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you can give it a try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Let them know about our channel so our channel can grow. And see you next time in another episode.